Hello and thanks for joining us here at TESCO Bus and Van Sales. Today, we'll be going over the function and features of your TESCO Ford Transit van. Remember that TESCO Bus is not liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. In familiarizing ourselves with the Ford Transit van, it's important to know where to locate and how to use all available exits. These will vary from different body styles and types from stock to luxury. On the stock transit models, you will usually find two access points in the body, the first being the main sliding entry door, with the second being your rear double doors. Our main sliding door will function normally with the pulling of the handle and sliding the door back. The rear double doors, however, open one at a time. From the outside, you open the right-sided door first with its handle, swinging all the way out until it stops, with the second handle on the side of the left door. Pull this handle towards you to open the left door, swinging it open all the way until it stops. You can also use the yellow release latches on either side to open the doors up further. To open these doors from the inside, lift the yellow handle on the left-hand side to open the left door, giving you access to the other door's handle. Next will be our seating and securement devices. Stock transit vans will feature static bench seats and single-position seats, each with 3-point seat belts, while wheelchair-accessible vans will often feature anywhere from 2 to 5 Freedman double foldaway seats. The Freedman seats are easy to use whether to seat passengers or accommodate wheelchairs. In an upright position, make sure the bottommost lever is twisted away from covering the support bar. Locate the middle lever and push the red handle in. While doing so, pull down the top of the seat and push it down until it clicks into place. To raise the back of the seat, locate its black release lever on the back aisle side corner of the seat. Other models may feature a red lever instead on the back of this corner, however, function will generally be the same. No matter the model, push the lever down and lift the seat back into position until it clicks into place. To stow the seat away is the reverse. Push the seat backing lever down and fold the backing all the way down until it locks into place. Then locate the red release lever underneath the back corner of the seat. Pull the red handle up and then pull the seat up all the way until it latches into place. Once upright, twist the bottommost lever until it covers over the metal bar to keep the seat secure. With the foldaway seats stowed away, we now have room to accommodate wheelchairs. These can be secured with the Q-Straint floor tracking and belts. You can find your securement straps and anchors in the Q-Straint bags on the walls. To use your Q-Straint system, please refer to the Q-Straint website for training resources and tutorials. Links in the description below. Next is our wheelchair lift, where operation is simple. The lift is featured on some, but not all, transit vans. To start, when parked on level ground, engage your parking brake. Depending on the model, this may be the electronic parking brake switch, where you just pull the switch to engage it, or a parking brake lever right next to the driver's seat, where you just pull the lever upwards until it clicks to engage it. Doing this will satisfy the vehicle's wheelchair lift interlock. Now make your way outside to the rear of the van and open the double doors to the wheelchair lift. Make sure that the lift's power switch at the bottom right or left corner is switched on and that the lights at the top corners are illuminated. With the area clear of any people or obstruction, take the remote and press and hold the unfold side of the switch to bring the lift down. If it doesn't move at first, click and hold fold to bring the lift up all the way to satisfy the safety mechanisms, then hold unfold to then bring the lift down. Once unfolded, you can then hold the down side of the other switch to lower the lift to the ground. Once down all the way, make sure that the load-on flap unfolds out to the ground as well. When you're ready, press and hold the up side of the switch to raise the platform off the ground. When the platform stops and the interior ramp opens, you can then unload your platform. And once it's clear, go ahead and hold down the fold side of the switch to fold the platform upwards all the way to stow away the lift. Now you can put the remote away on the lift, turn the switch off, and close your doors. Remember to release your parking brake before driving away. For the electronic switch, press in and hold the brake pedal and push in the parking brake switch. For the lever, press in and hold the brake pedal and pull up slightly on the lever, then press in the button at the end of the lever, releasing it and allowing you to push the lever all the way down. You can refer to our video on the Braun wheelchair lift for details in troubleshooting, and for use with passengers or for more information regarding your lift, refer to Braun's website via the link in the description below. Lastly, we'll go over the front cabin area. Starting on the left, we have our headlight control dial. Just underneath that, you'll find the electronic parking brake switch. For models without an electronic parking brake switch, the manual parking brake will be located on the floor directly next to the driver's seat. On the steering wheel, you'll find the cruise control and media volume controls, and on the other side is the gauge cluster navigation controls and media controls for hands-free, radio, and Bluetooth devices. On the dash, you have your radio head unit, USB ports for charging, 12-volt output, and climate controls. However, some transit models may feature a large touchscreen, which will take the place of your radio and climate controls. No matter the model, your rear view camera feed will display through the radio unit or touchscreen. And above your rear view mirror, you'll have your interior light switch, as well as your passenger climate controls. The transit van featured in this video is one of many offered by TESCO. The normal TESCO vans have a mid-height roof and are non-commercial vehicles, but we offer many varieties including high roof, all-wheel drive, dual rear wheel extended length, and more. And with that is the basics to using your TESCO Ford Transit van. For support and all of your transportation equipment needs, choose TESCO Bus and Van Sales. For our proven quality and trusted name, call, click, or visit us today. Thanks for watching.